Imagine a single company that sells over 3 million pizzas a day across 90-plus countries, and it doesn't make most of those pizzas itself. It's the global pizza machine that started in a tiny Michigan store back in 1960 and grew to a $14 billion empire. That empire is Domino's Pizza, and it's powered by one enormous idea: economies of scale. Domino's secret isn't just in the dough and the sauce, it's in their system. Thousands of franchisees, a perfectly synchronized supply chain, and technology that turns pizza into profit. Scaling smart can turn a humble slice into a global phenomenon. 95% of Domino's stores aren't even owned by Domino's. Then how does their pizza taste the same everywhere? And despite running successfully in over 90 countries, they actually failed in one of the most iconic pizza markets. Which one and why? Hang tight as we reveal the answers and the genius behind every bite. Domino's runs a network of 20-plus dough and supply chain centers in the US and Canada, and several abroad. These centers churn out millions of perfectly portioned dough balls every day. One plant in Indiana alone makes about 90,000 dough balls daily for over 300 stores. The vast majority of Domino's stores are owned by their franchisees and not by Domino's itself. Most franchise stores receive ingredients directly from these hubs, ensuring the same texture, taste, and bake everywhere. Then there are the innovations, like the Spoodle, a spoon ladle hybrid that spreads the exact same amount of sauce much faster. Their digital ovens are preset for precise baking times, and employees are trained in everything from stretching dough to answering calls. The result? A global army of independently owned stores that operate like one synchronized pizza machine. That's operational genius, technological precision, and managerial efficiency baked into every slice. Domino's is also one of the largest buyers of pizza cheese in the US, moving millions of pounds of cheese and toppings every year. They negotiate volume-based contracts with suppliers, meaning the more they buy, the lower the price per pound, and quality standards are locked in. Centralized distribution centers make sure the right ingredients reach each store in time, keeping pizzas flying out of ovens at record speed. And it's not just cheese and toppings. Domino's scales everything, from marketing to technology. They spend hundreds of millions on advertising every year, but with over 20,000 stores worldwide, the cost per store is lowered. Online orders now make up about 70% of all US orders. Technology and AI help stores plan better and waste less. Now, the big reveal. Despite crushing it in countries like the US, Canada, UK, India, China, and many others, Domino's failed in the birthplace of pizza, Italy. They entered Italy in 2015, but stiff competition from local pizzerias and their own declining sales forced them to completely exit from Italy in 2022. What does this tell us? That even giants stumble when culture and taste are not on their side. Domino's has achieved tremendous economies of scale, so as they produce more pizzas, their cost per pizza drops. This happens because of their centralized hubs, bulk purchase deals, centralized marketing, operational and tech innovations, which makes the business more competitive, efficient, and profitable. If you found this slice of knowledge interesting, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We've got more fascinating stories from the world of business coming your way.